Oh, it's a coho. It's got to be a coho. Look at that jump. Look at that jump. Look at that jump. Hey. Welcome back to the channel. It is Jesse on this beautiful fishing day, fishing Father's Day special. Going out at last light. Not first light, but last light. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, we got ourselves a day. Good evening, boys and girls. This is tonight I got a couple ideas, depending on how it goes, but I want to start with a little bit of groundfish, and then I'm going to troll just out in front. Here we go. Figured I might as well start recording on my way out to the spot, and just troll, bottom troll here. Oh, there's a bunch of bait at like 100 feet. There's got to be fish down there. Holy cow. I wonder if I could get a little lower. Jeez. I changed my downrigger line from the cable to the braid, and there's no hum. It's so much silent, so much quieter. So nice. Really prefer that. I can go a lot deeper too. So right now we can keep 2 hatchery cohos, so if we get lucky enough to get one of those, I'll definitely be bonking it. Oh, fish on. Yeah, we got a fish on. Yeah, there's a fish on. What do we got? Real small. 50 feet of water. Probably a Chinook shaker. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's a Chinook. Oh, there he is. Took me at the surface. Ah, it was a little Chinook. I think it could have been a coho. I mean, it was a salmon. It was a salmon. Ah, shoot. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We haven't even got to the fishing spot. We're already into the salmon. I wonder if the coho are coming in on this side on the incoming tide. Actually, it makes sense because they would come on the inside. If the tide's coming in, there's a shelf here. There's less current, so the bait would be on this side of the shelf. So actually, that makes a lot of sense. So this could actually be a good spot. This actually could be a good spot. There is a ton of bait. I wish I could show you my screen right now. It is insane right now. Holy cow down below there. Fish are here, that's for sure. I'm certain of it. The only thing I'm not certain is if my line is covered in algae. If I was on a boat, I would reel this up right away, but it's kind of a bit of work to get the whole thing down, so you kind of slack a little bit, I'll be honest with you. Yeah, I think I'm towing some. Ah, shoot. I was in a good spot, but like, sometimes that happens, eh? You get that seaweed, and I was like, shoot, I could feel it too. I thought at the end there for sure. Man, there's a lot of seaweed here. But there's also a lot of fish. I don't know what's going on. My Garmin is not giving me proper readings. It's giving me weird readings. Like, the battery shouldn't be, like, I just charged the battery, so it shouldn't, sometimes if the battery's low, it'll give you some weird readings, I know. But this is not right. I'm in like deep water. And it's showing me just the weirdest readings right now. So I'm fishing blind, I guess. Oh, we're on now. That's a fish. That's a fish. This is turning. That's a fish. That's a salmon. That's a fish. We got a fish. Come on, baby. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. just as I was turning. And I'm fishing blind too. Hold on. Step in, step in. Come on, vehicle. Vehicle. No! Is he on? Yeah, he is. Oh, he's still on. Oh, jeez. Oh. He's going under the boat. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh, jeez. Oh, this is a Chinook. I don't think I can keep this one. Jeez. Oh, boy. Oh, this is hard. This is a hard one. Okay, here we go. That's her. Here we go. There we go. Whew. Oh my gosh. The struggle is real, people. How was the storm? All right. What do we got? I think it's a Chinook. I think I saw a black one. Oh my gosh. All right. Last light fish. I'll show them to you. Okay. What do we got here? Oh. Well, first things first. Hook is out. So that's good. It's a hatchery, whatever it is. Oh, it's too bad. It's a beautiful Chinook. I'm going to turn to get a better light here so we get a nice shot, nice photo. We're just trolling beside him. He's in the water. He's cool. So you can't keep these. These are, if it was white, or a coho rather, that would be a fish we could bonk. What's on this say? That's a nice looking fish. Alright, let's get him back in here. There he goes. No problem. Kicks off like a son of a gun. Well, that was cool. That was really cool. Ugh. So that's a Chinook. See, we can catch salmon on the troll. We hooked one, finally. Brought it to the boat. We're heading home. We'll troll all the way back. We achieved our goal. Our goal was to troll a salmon. And salmon troll we did. So I'm happy about that. That's wicked. Really cool. That's great. The Islander Reel brought one in. Honestly, open to recommendations. If you have like trolling kayak gear that you think is like dialed in, let me know. I mean, this picks up a lot of line, but you know, you need something that's got to pick up that line quick. That seems like the best thing. Like, forget the line setting and all that nonsense. You just need something that's going to pick up the line quick. Because you have that bow in your line, first of all, to your line connector, and then you got, yeah, any drag on your line, like you've got a lot of line to pick up before that fish can throw that. And I think I've showcased that tonight already. How, or I'm just really sucking at this. But I would like to argue that if it is a hatchery fish, I think we should be able to bonk that. That Chinook, I think at this time of year, it's Father's Day today, the hatchery fish would have been a great table fare. Oh well. Yeah, we're on. Yeah, we're on. What is this thing? What is this thing? Not fighting very hard. It's coming with the boat. Is there a little link cod, maybe? Oh, it's a salmon. Let's see. Oh, it's rolling like a coho. It's rolling like a coho. It could be. It could be. It could be. It could be. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're rolling. Can you see this? Okay. It's a salmon, that's for sure. Woo. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get him around here. Oh. Don't go in that. Oh geez. Oh geez. I want to go him in the downrigger ball. That's like the worst spot for him. Oh geez. Oh no. Now my cord is. Oh, this is just. Okay. We upgraded. We upgraded. There goes the hook. Okay. We upgraded, boys. What did we upgrade to? What is this fish? Is it? It's a hatchery. Is it another Chinook? It is another Chinook. It's another hatchery. Oh man. We are catching non-stop hatchery Chinook right now. Look at these fish. These are gorgeous fish. Okay, for a second there I got excited. I thought it was a coho. It's just for a second. Okay, I'm gonna take them out just for a second too and show the camera. All right, show the happy people. All right, last light bite, hey? I love the glow. See, I got the glow hoochie on right now. This thing has been deadly for me at last, like as the sun's setting, deadly. I'll just do a quick measurement of him. I just want to see how long he is, just for fun. He's about 26, 25 inches. Yeah. Oh. All right, here he is. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, see the hatchery? Haha! Happy. Oh jeez, we'll just send him. I didn't want to drop him on the net. All right. Well, that was fun. I mean, that was a crazy situation. I had the net. The net got hooked on your camera, on my camera. I thought, oh geez, here we go. I'm trying to get the net on the fish, and so many things can go wrong with the kayak. Let me tell you. I literally, my Garmin's still not working, so I have no idea. So I'm just counting the things. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Grandfathers, great-grandfathers. I know sometimes Father's Day actually can be a hard day for some people. And so shout out to those guys too. Whoever, for the hard ones, shout out to you too. Yeah. Well, oh. Oh, back on again. Okay. Oh, this is a heavy one. Jeez. Maybe not. Let's turn my boat around. Be a little hatch. Hatch coho, that'd be awesome. Come on. Be a hatch coho. Oh, it's a coho. It's gotta be a coho. Look at that jump. Oh, it's a coho. It's gotta be a coho. Look at that jump. It's gotta be a coho. Come on. What other fish does that? That's not a Chinook. That's gotta be a coho. Come on. I'm gonna play him out. Okay, come on, baby. Come on. Are you ready? In the boat! Alright. What are you? Jeez. It's all very dramatic. Oh, the adrenaline. Gotta love it. Pretty much these things pop off in the net every time. Okay, we'll get this out of the way. Okay, He's definitely a hatchery again. Is he a coho? I can't see his mouth. Ah, another Chinook. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna let you go. Alright, just a quick shot for the people here. Just for the people. You're world famous. So that's 3 hatchery Chinook. Holy cow. I'm in the Chinook hatchery area. Alright, these are all beautiful fish. My gosh, they're gorgeous. Oh no, this one's wild. Sorry, this one is a wild one. It looks like a misclip. There you go. Misclip, but there he is. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Torpedo. Whoop. See ya. As much fun as I'm having right now, I actually have to get home. Okay. Well, the cool thing is the last light bite is fire right now. Fire last light bite. I got fish slime all over my pants. It's great. Well, that's a great evening. The bite's on right now, but obviously it's getting too dark, and the shore is not far, which is really nice. I gotta say, what a blessing this has been. Lord, thank you very much for this evening, and also thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys coming on this journey with me and learning kayak fishing. This has been awesome. I gotta say, this is what a hoot this is. I'm learning a lot. Every time I come out, I'm learning a lot. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is Jesse from BC Fishing Journal. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.